Hello friends, welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Exploring Goals. Friends, वर्तमान डिस्कस करिबा पेपर 1 जनरल स्टडीज ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन जहा काली हेतला तारो डिटेल एनालिसिस करिबा सब क्वेश्चन रो आंसर कोन हबो राइट। तो स्टार्ट करबी मु। तो आज डिस्कस जहा करिबा टेस्ट बुकलेट सीरीज डी रो क्वेश्चन सब जहा कि अल्टरनेट है कि ए बी सी डी सब जाको सीरीज रे अछि सेम क्वेश्चंस। तो हमें चेक करि परिबा अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर ओन सीरीज। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रो मु स्टार्ट करबी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वर्तमान स्क्रीन रे गवर्निंग काउंसिल ऑफ नीति आयोग कंप्राइजेस ऑफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रो राइट आंसर कोन हबो? ये गोटे कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चन आछि। एक्चुअली फास्ट क्वेश्चन रो ही कंफ्यूजन अछि कारण नीति आयोग रो जो गवर्निंग काउंसिल हुए सेतरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर थांती, चीफ मिनिस्टर थांती एवं यूनियन टेरिटोरीज रो सब चीफ मिनिस्टर्स माने थांती। तेणु एठी फ्रेंड्स चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर जाको हमें कहूचे यूनियन टेरिटोरी माने रहंती। तेणु सी आउ ए ए दीटा जाको ऑप्शन सेठी अछि। तो ए भितरु गोटे डेफिनेटली राइट अछि ए आउ सी भितरु, बट व्हिच वन इज इट इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कारण ए रे जो माने अछंती से माने भी नीति आयोग रो गवर्निंग बॉडी बा गवर्निंग काउंसिल रो मेंबर्स एंड सी रे भी जो माने अछंती। सो ये टिके कंफ्यूजिंग अछि। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 रो जदि देखिबा चेयरमैन ऑफ जोनल काउंसिल इन इंडिया, यार राइट आंसर इज वो फ्रेंड्स यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर। तो सी हब राइट आंसर। तापर जिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को। तो व्हिच for each country global hunger index values are determined by which of the following indicators? That is right answer is 3 and 1 2 3 and 4. The right answer is D, undernourishment, child mortality, child stunting and child wasting. So all is the right answer. Question number 4 को जदि हमें जीवा ताले क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रे कहिछि the reserve held by commercial banks over and above the statutory minimum with the RBI are called cash reserve सहित कौन अब ऑप्शन रही देखा डिपोजिट रिजर्व, मोनेटरी रिजर्व एंड एक्सेस रिजर्व। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रो जदि हमें राइट आंसर कहबा डी हबो। सेमिति क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 को जिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रमोट्स द कांसेप्ट ऑफ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स फॉर फाइनेंसिंग द पुअर। तो एठी राइट आंसर इज वो फ्रेंड्स सी is your right answer, right? Then question number 6 को जो दीजिए which of the following is not financial inclusion scheme? The question number 6 रो right answer friends is what D, शिशु किशोर and तरुण are the scheme of. Question number 7 that is right answer हबो micro units हबो development, micro units development and reference agency limited. So B right answer. Then the question number 8, which of the following indicators is not used to calculate human development index? So the right answer is was social inequality, life expectancy, per capita income or education to habo. Which of the following committees recommended a poverty line based on nutritional requirements exclusively? The question number 9 right answer habo allied committee. Next question number 10, the fast sustainable development goal aims to eradicate extreme poverty. How does the UN currently measure extreme poverty? So UN United Nations केमिति measure करे extreme poverty को? That is right answer हबो yes, people who live in less than maybe 1.25 a day. Okay, $1.25 a day. It is the right answer. Next question number 11, and which is the highest allocation ministry in budget 2021-22? The Ministry of Defence. Question number 12. Central government has unveiled a new series of consumer price index for industrial workers. Yes, consumer price index for industrial worker with which year as the base year? Question number 12, right answer is 2016. The contribution of the primary sector to GDP of India is. Question number 13, right answer is at times increasing and at times decreasing over the year maybe, but it is टिके confused अच्छी increase over the year जेहेतु GDP कथा कहिचे primary sector to GDP, contribution of the primary sector to GDP of India more appropriate लागुचे टी. Okay, question number 14, Robin Hood effect is related to which of the following? The right answer is income distribution. Question number 15. Out of the four concepts of money supply used in India, M1, M2, M3 and M4, the post office saving are included in. So here the right answer will be M2 and M4 only. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, IRDA, is which type of body? So here the right answer is statutory body. Okay, question number 17. Deforestation is not a direct cause of. Deforestation is not a direct cause of species invasion. যদি কোনोसी नुआ species invade କରୁଛନ୍ତି particular area ku ba biome ku, so that is not directly related to deforestation. Question number 18. The succession where the community increases its diversity and complexity with time is. So ये right answer of a progressive succession. Okay, environment and ecology related question आसिछि. Okay, biochemical oxygen demand of water is a measure of. The right answer will be water organic load. Question number 20. Yes, which of the following does not belong to natural air pollutant? Natural air pollutant नुहा कौन easily जाना पड़ुची. Peroxyacetyl nitrate is the right answer. Okay, let's move on. 21. ex-situ conservation includes. Clearly जाना पड़ुची ex-situ conservation, off-site conservation जहाँ को हमें कहूचे जोटा तांकर natural habitat रे नुहे तो botanical garden. बाकी सबू in situ national park, biosphere reserve and wildlife sanctuary. Question number 22. Database generated by ENVIS is used for the management of. The right answer is biodiversity. CBD is expanded as. What is the full form of CBD? Right answer is Convention on Biodiversity. 24. Question number 24. Which of the following is a correct combination? So the correct combination कोटा सुंदरबन तो नुहा राइनासोर हमें जानी छे और टाइगर रिजर्व कही परिबा काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क भी वन हॉर्न राइनो पाई भरतपुर ये भी हबनी. तो राइट आंसर होची बालूखंड ब्लैक बक आम ओडिशा सहित रिलेटेड अच्छी तो आराम से करी परिबा. 24 डी राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. ओके, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज expected to be a cause of the rise in sea level? Sea level rise ro cause hei paribo melting of polar ice caps, no doubt. Okay, global warming jogu. The solar energy is a, and the right answer is non-conventional energy resource. Be correct. 27. Bats use dash to navigate and find food. Bats माने use करन्ति echolocation. Yes, D is right answer. 28. Nucleic acid present in coronavirus. Yes, 28 रो right answer कौन होगा? That is clearly जाना पड़ुची हमर कौन होगा? Ribonucleic acid जोटा कि RNA होगा. Okay, RNA होगा right answer. So 28 C. 29. Television signals are both frequency and amplitude modulated. C is right answer. Question number 30. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in. So right answer is electric motor. Electrical energy mechanical energy को convert होची. Okay, let's move on. 1 light year is very easy question. The distance travelable light in a free space in 1 year. 1 year रे free space रे light जति की distance cover करे ताकू 1 light year कहबा. जोटा कि हमारा different planet and stars रो distance measure करिबारे use करा जाए. 32. Bleeding from nose is caused when a person is they are at. So here right answer is higher altitude where atmospheric pressure is low. बहुत height को पड़े जो कि atmospheric pressure and blood ro pressure manage हे पारिबनी, so that blood रो जो कि blood capillaries जो कि thin walled थिबो जेमति कि nose रे particularly eye रे तो bleeding start हुए. Okay, so 32A, the main component of biogas. Yes, it is no doubt right answer is methane. Next, subatomic particles are electrons, protons, neutrons, all of these. Okay, because atom ro sabu hochandi subparticles, subatomic particles. 35. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas because it. So here the right answer will be binds to hemoglobin. Sorry, carbon monoxide achi. Yes, it binds to hemoglobin because we know carbon monoxide ro 300 times adhika bind kari paribar ability अच्छी खास सहित hemoglobin सहित. So oxygen जेति की bind करे ताठु जदि carbon monoxide पाइगला hemoglobin तो 300 times better binding power अच्छी carbon monoxide रो hemoglobin सहित which may cause deficiency of oxygen in our cells. 36, which is not a synthetic polymer. Right answer is D, resin. Okay, next 37, bee sting causes severe pain and burning sensation due to presence of. So here the right answer will be methanolic acid. 38, albinism is caused due to deficiency of enzyme. Ballpoint pens dyes used are. Right answer is alcohol based and oil based. Little bit confusion. Check it out once again. Okay, I am not sure about this. पूरा 100% तो कोई हो नहीं, but check it out. Okay, question number 40. Which one of the following colors is least deviated by the glass prism? सबूत कम deviation किए हुए red color. Yes, 40B. 41. Ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of no doubt banyan tree. बहुत पॉपुलर नेम फाइकस बेंगालेंसिस जाको हमें पूजा भी करू छे, राइट. banyan tree is the right answer. Okay. 42. Spirogyra is a kind of algae, my dear friends. 43. Which of the following substance is not synthetic? Synthetic नुहे को उठा तो पचारची. The right answer अब fibroin. Next 44. Change in the base sequence within a gene is nothing but mutation. But sudden change thile ahuri bhalo hoitanta, question ahuri easy he jaitanta. Yes, but mutation is the right answer. Change in base sequence. 45. Hypsometer is used to measure. Right answer is B, the boiling point of liquids. Question number 46. Sagarmala project is under the Ministry of Government of India. Sagarmala project, a right answer. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Next 47. Which country has begun its 2-year tenure as a non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council? 47. Right answer is India. Who is the chairman of State Commission for Backward Caste in Odisha? Right answer is A, Justice Raghunath Vishwal. Question number 49. Which of the following is not correct? And here the right answer is D. Samved conference is being held every year since 2015 between India and Thailand. Question number 50. Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO Heads of State Summit was held on 10th November 2020 in the video conference format. The summit was hosted by, and here the right answer is no doubt it is Russia. Next question number 51. Which country has become the 6th member of the Five Eyes Intelligent Network? So here the right answer is A, Japan. What was the theme of World Sustainable Development Summit 2020? And here the right answer is, okay, towards 2030 goals, making the decade count. Question number 53. Who among the following persons of Odisha is the Padma Vibhushan awardee for 2021 for distinguished service in the field of arts? So eti Shanti Devi to nuho. Yes, Sudarshan Sahu is the right answer, friends. D is correct. 53. D. 54. The recipient of Atibadi Jagannath Das Literary Award awarded by Sahitya Academy of Odisha for 2020 is, and the right answer is C, Ramachandra Behera. Question number 55. The freshwater lake built by India near its research station Maitri in the Antarctica is known as. So, question number 55. The right answer is Priyadarshini. Okay. 56. The Mars Perseverance rover that landed on Mars on 18th February 2021, recent current affair, बहुत easy question, and right answer of United States of America. 57. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was made an union territory of India with effect from, again easy question, D, 31st October 2019, जो कि union territory Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, data union territories है गले Jammu and Kashmir state divide है की. 58. the protest movement organized at Shaheen Bagh in Delhi from 14th December 2019 to 24th March 2020 was against the Shaheen Bagh बहुत popular रहीतला बहुत हंगामा चलीतला right answer होची the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Next 59. The military skirmishes that occurred, okay, TTK lagi jaichi words, occurred between China and India since 5th of May 2020 in the Galwan Valley involved territorial disputes over, question number 59, the right answer, Pongang Lake area or Sundar area. Yes, question number 60. What was the capital? Was Vatsa Mahajanapada. So, what was the capital of Vatsha Mahajanapada? Here the right answer is Kaushambi maybe. Yes, Kaushambi is the right answer. Check it out once again. Question number 61. Which of the following sources indicate that last Mauryan ruler Brihadarth was assassinated by Pushyamitra? So, political reason ru death kill kara jibako assassinated ame koche 61 ro right answer. D more appropriate Harsha Charita, but still akutke check karibo friends. Question number 62. Who among the Gupta rulers was first to bear higher political title of Maharajadhiraj? So Maharajadhiraj Prathame Chandragupta one our right answer. Okay. Who overthrew the Rashtrakutas in 973 AD? The right answer hochi Taila II of Western Chalukya. Question number 64. Which of the following Mughal sources was translated into Persian by Pinda Khan? So the right answer is A. Baburnama. 65. Who was the author of Tariq-e-Daudi? So your right answer is B. Abdullah. Question number 66. Who had prepared the proclamation known as Mahjar issued in September 1579? Here the right answer is B. Faizi. 67. What was the term used for the religious officer in Mughal administration? Mughal administration रे religious officer का पाएं use होता term Muhtasib. 68. British concluded Treaty of Surat in 1775 with, right answer is Raghunath Rao. 69. Which of the following land revenue settlement was first to have concluded with the village community? Right answer is BRA. Mahalwari settlement and permanent settlement. Confused between these two. Check it out. 69. 70. What was the title of the first newspaper published by James Augustus Hickey? Right answer is D. The Bengal Gazette. Very easy question. Who compared the Salt March of Gandhi to Napoleon's march to Paris on his return from Elba? Here the right answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. 72. Okay. 72. Who founded the Deccan Educational Society? Right answer is Ranade. Yes. Question number 73. Who was chairman of the first Famine Commission in 1880? Right answer is A. Sir Richard Strachey. The Middle Himalayan range originated in. And what is the right answer? B or D? Miocene or Pliocene? Middle Himalayan range. 74. What is the right answer? Again, check it out. Okay. Which of the following is not an example of Black Mountain? So here, Salt Range or Western Ghats? Maybe Western Ghats. Okay, let's move on. Salt Range also there, so a little bit confusion. 75. Okay, let's move on to 76. Which of the following tributaries of Indus River emerges from the Pir Panjal range? Wow, Nice question, and right answer is Jhelum. 76, D correct. 77, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Not correctly matched. Maybe B is the right answer. Okay, but still check it out. Check it out. B or C. Okay, let's move on. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Not correctly matched. Yes, B is the right answer. Remainder current North Pacific. Which of the following is not correctly matched? 79. And here the right answer is yes. Koteswar project and Tapti river. B right. Question number 80. Which of the following human races has woolly hairs? Body re bahut lamba lamba hairs. Maybe negroid is the right answer. Yes. In which of the following demographic transition stages the intensive subsistence farming is prevalent? Question number 81, right answer is stage 1. 82, it is 12 noon at Greenwich. What will be the time at a place situated at 60 degree east longitude? 60 degree east means agar thibo east re achi and 60 degree, so 15 degree re 1 hour, and here 4 p.m. is the right answer. Right. What is the significance of Dakshin Gangotri? 83. Research station. Okay, let's see option C and D. It is a scientific base station of Antarctica. C, 100% correct. 83. C is the right answer. 84. In India, El Nino is very often associated with. Here the right answer is B. Bad monsoon weather with a low rain and crop failure. Good monsoon weather. So B is the right answer. 85. In the atmosphere, which of the following carries the ozone layer? No doubt here the right answer is C, and this is a very easy question. Which of the following is a predominant species of the deciduous forest of Odisha? And here the right answer will be sal tree. Okay. 87. Slash and burn cultivation relates to which of the following? Which of the following? 87. The right answer is subsistence. Yes, subsistence agriculture. 88. The ideal of welfare state in the Indian Constitution is enriched in its. Right answer is B. Directive principle of state policy. Who, as per the provision of the Constitution, declares an area as a scheduled area? What is the right answer? 89. President of India. B correct. 90. The concurrent list in the Constitution of India was adopted from. Right answer is Australia. Concurrent list. Yes, Australia. Okay. 91. Which schedule of the Constitution of India distributes power between the Union and the states? Easy one. 7th schedule. Yes. 92. Mandamus is a writ issued by the apex court. A is right, asking a public official or any authority to perform legal duties. 93. Any money bill cannot be introduced in the parliament without the consent of the. Here the right answer is C, the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Okay, Lok Sabha is the right answer. Easy question. 93 C. 94. The first state in India which was created on linguistic basis, and again easy one, Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. Right of education for all between 6 to 14 years of age has been included as a fundamental right in the year 95. Right answer is 2002 maybe, or 2001. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan 2001, and yes, 2002 mostly, because here it is been included, so maybe 2002. 96. One of the following now is not a department of finance ministry. Now not a department of finance ministry, banking affairs. D right answer. 97. The All India which conference is organized by Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Chief Minister of State, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Vice President. And here the right answer is Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. A is correct. 98. The purpose of Uniform Civil Code incorporated in Article 44 of Indian Constitution is for. So it is Article 44 Uniform Civil Code incorporated. The right answer about national unity. C right answer. Policy of rational choice in competitive situation is right answer is rational theory. And last question, that is 100th. Keeping control over delegated legislation is the power of delegated legislation. Keeping control over delegated legislation is the power of maybe Rajya Sabha or Supreme Court. Confusion between these two. Okay, so check it out. Question number 100, and that's all. बहुत कम समय रे हमें टोटल क्वेश्चंस को एटलीस्ट आंसर कौन हम एग्जैक्टली जानिबार चांस पाइले एठी. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बुकलेट सीरीज द क्वेश्चन द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन मे वेरी, सो यू हैव टू चेक अकॉर्डिंगली. हमें ए जो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कले ये होची सीरीज डी रो राइट, एंड थिला एग्जामिनेशन ये 2021 रो डिटेल क्वेश्चन रो एनालिसिस एंड आंसर की जहा गोटे गोटे टिके टिके डाउट अछि निश्चय एग्जैक्ट आंसर कौन हम कमेंट बॉक्स रे जणैबो, सो दैट जो माने भी फ्रेंड्स माने देखिबे ताकू देखि कि चेक करि परिबे एंड रेक्टिफाई करि परिबे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन. थैंक्स एवरीवन, थैंक्स अ लॉट. निश्चय जदि चैनल रे नुआ तो सब्सक्राइब करि बेल आइकन हिट करिवो. जदि ठीक लागुची क्वेश्चन आंसर ताले कमेंट करि जणैबो एवं लाइक निश्चय करिवो वीडियो को. थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.